This is the second part of the TEMU order. I'm actually wearing one of the shirts, one of their pairs or whatever clothes, but you'll see it. Some stuff that I can't show, but look at this. They come out with some cute matching like shorts and shirts for girls, for female, for male, for children, for everything. So they come with their little shorts. From the bottom of my heart, I don't give a... You already know. This is the matching shirt with it. So the material feels thick but stretchy at the same time. So I think I'm gonna love that. What is it? Oh, it's another one. So I ordered a bunch of these because we can wear shorts at work. So I decided to get a bunch of pairs. Isn't this cute? Blessed. Same type of material. And these run a little bit bigger, just in case you guys were wondering. Oh, these are actually long shorts. I hadn't seen that, but cool. And then, you know how sometimes the waistbands are kind of too thick and too, like they just hurt your sides? Well, this one's just fine. Nice and stretchy. Ooh. I got all kinds of different colors, guys, because I needed more clothes. I seriously did, though. I'm not like the females that don't have enough clothes. I really just got rid of a bunch of shit, so... I match energy, so go ahead and decide how we gonna act. Yes, sir. Same material, guys, same material. Some shorts, these are not long shorts. But yeah, they're cute, cute. And then I got a hot pink one. This is like the most rawest video you'll ever see for orders, TEMU orders. Well, let's see what this one says. This kind of feels like Christmas for adults. Stay humble. Please do. So cute. Matching shorts. Oh, these are long shorts. If you guys see these online, you'll see that they just show you shorts, but this one doesn't have anything on the bottom, which is weird, but it's all good. This I can't show you. Can't show you that. I got another pink one. I have more orders on the way, guys, so you know how, well, I don't know if you guys know, but TEMU orders come in different, like, hella different packages, so y'all, see? It is what it is. So cute. It is what it is. I wanted a hot pink and a light pink, so. And the last thing I have on here, oh, it's the last things. So I've been seeing that a lot of people have been ordering lashes, so I would like to see, I just didn't want some like crazy long, super crazy ones, and I lose them like all the time, so these look like they'll be fluffy and cute. So these are a lot of pairs, and I think they're only like $1 or something. And then this, oh my god, this feels nice and heavy. Ooh, girl. Look at this beauty. So this is for glasses. I have tons of pairs of glasses. Oh my gosh. Very good quality, guys. Out of all the things, I think this is awesome. But yeah, guys, this is it. This is it for this package. This is the second package, second video. Hopefully you guys will stay tuned for the next ones. I don't know if I'll do like a video or I will do a live, probably videos. But yeah, guys, I recommend TEMU. Now, not everything is good quality, but most of it is. Like this right here, if you order sunglass cases, this is definitely a go-go. Thanks for watching.